So we need to know if this is true, right? Well, we believe it is, as long as the price is below 73. What did I say was going to go? 62, right?
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and 62 right here. Okay, so 11 points, right, from 73. Okay, let's see. All right, we're gonna move it to 74, 75. Okay, 75, so that we know if the smart money is looking to squeeze the bears. Okay, so here's 75 to the tick, right?
To the tick.
All right, so this is gonna be our gauge today. Totally, right? As long as the price is below, let it ride at 62. Clean break of a test of the high 81, breaking it, and a continuation to 94, 95. So that's 70 hit, right? Plus 5, and you know exactly what to do, and you know exactly what's going on. 67, right?
Yep.
All right, so that's 66, that's plus 9 in 1 minute. So I kid you not, is that 75 to the tick, the bounce all the way to where? To our entry short 75, giving us another opportunity to take another 9 points again. And right, this is a tough range, isn't it? Of course it is, but we are Capital Trade Center professional traders. We're gonna ride it to 62 as long as we don't change hats to bull, and we know exactly what needs to happen for us to be to change hat. Boom, another 9 points, right? I'm gonna let it right
Yeah,
there.
you have a waterfall.
Depending on your position size, of course, I know that we are all tempted to take 9 points right here again. It's okay, but don't be all out, all right? Right? So everybody's wondering, oh my God, look at that, man. What's stronger, 75 or 66? Well, I say 75. This is stronger. So I'm still expecting the break to the downside. But we are on the lookout. We made 9 points twice, and trim and trail. And if it breaks the upside, 75, the way we like it, then we know where we're going, right? Okay. In the meantime, just patience. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we've known since 9 a.m. that 75 was a pretty good entry short for the best risk-reward ratio, right? It was our gauge. The price goes there, give us a beautiful entry, razor sharp, 10 points,
CAPI.
twice, and yeah, what's up? Okay, and market open, give us 9 points, then he give us 9 points again, and I told you 75 is stronger than the 66. 66 will be taken first. Boom! Taken all the way to 63, and we want to ride it all the way to 62. No, Capi, are you kidding me? As soon as this thing went to 63, 64, man, I took I locked in on all my units, man. I'm not gonna put you just said that this was gonna be a toxic open, so I'm good here because you also say that it's okay to get out 1-2 points below, right? Depending on the volatility, and with this volatility, man, I took my 64. Right, back to 75, and we all know exactly what we need to do. Bang it again. 9 points first, 12 points after the other one. How many points is this? 4 points right here, and that's it. We're gonna continue banging it because yes, you can get out 64 if you want to, but officially, until I change it, the target is 62, and that's the difference between this room and every other room out there, which we all know they are all fake. But of course, that's what trade management is all about, right? You are a trader, and look at your P&L, look at your position size, your trim and trail. I've been telling you for a whole 45 minutes, this is gonna be a toxic 10-point range. Play it. We are day traders. Ladies and gentlemen, so it's time to make a new assessment, and according to my analysis, now they're both equally strong. So now that we know that they're both equally strong, 63 and 75, then we're gonna be on the lookout for, because now we believe if they're equally strong, now it can take 75 as much as it can take 66. All right, takes the high, we know exactly where it's going. So what does that mean? More chop this toxic range, and since we are already short, we prefer the low, the level to be taken. But one thing is what we prefer, another thing is what the market is going to do. My point is that as long as 75 is not taken, we keep banging the short, counting on the low being the level that's going to be taken. And then remember, 59 is target 1. We're going to make target 1 a 3-point range, 59, right? Because we know that we're going to be looking for a counter trend, right? So watch out for it. All right, so terrific, right? 78, but beautiful 78, and this is it. Okay. Although we still have 82, not interested, because remember 71. Okay, so as long as the price is above 71, the bulls are in control. However, of course we're going to take advantage of the 78 short. Absolutely, right? But that's it, my friends, because now any shorts that we take, we know that we're going against the short term. So remember, it's not only knowing where the price is going, but how it's going to get there. So this 78 short right here, it's our last best risk reward ratio for that trip to still to 62, because remember, officially our target is 62, and it's right 62.59. Yes, we can get out before, but until I don't tell you that the target has changed, it still is. All right. Okay. And since we know that the bulls are in control right here at 70, is that 71 to the ticks? Adding to a winner, bulls adding to a winner, expecting the price to go test 78, test 81, break it, and continue 94. We've known it since an hour ago. I'm gonna say it again. We are in a very equally strong high and low. That's why we're not hesitating in shorting the high. Look at the 78 again working, and confirmation is the taking of 71. Look, testing it right now. A nice taking of 71. Then we have to do everything in our power to let it ride all the way to 62.59. Okay, and then we're gonna see how the price behaves right here at 71, just like I told you 5-10 minutes ago, right? Because above 71, it's 94. We're gonna see how it does it, and below we have confirmation that it's the bears. It's not complicated, and as long as the price continue testing the high, we continue shorting it, and then when it goes to the low, we're gonna buy it. All right, because that's the type of market that we have today. All right, so 82, right? This is not a Presatico entry short. This is just everybody's short right here. That's that's easy, right? This is not a Presatico entry short. This is a conventional. Even the teenagers are short 82. Okay, so we want to take advantage of this short 82, like all the teenagers, and ride it all the way to the low, because remember, they're both equally strong. All right, so we never got that clean break, but we know, look at this, we know the bulls are in control above 71, but we also know that this toxic range, the high, the conventional technical analysis, even the teenagers are shorting their demo count. It's right here 82, so we are also short, of course, 82. And knowing that being short, we are going against the short-term play, which is in the hands of the bulls from here, from 71. Remember what I told you. You wanna go with the bulls. Take a shot long right here, 71, because the odds are higher that eventually the price will continue going all the way to 94. So 94 is target 1 for the bulls that had the guts to go long here, our 71, and we are in the meantime, shorting here, scalping, and we know that a clean break is gonna take it to 94, and as long as the price above 71, the action is in the hands of the bulls. All right. So the long 71 objective target 1 is 94 that we've known since 9 a.m. Okay, and those of us who are also taking a shot short here, objective is still 62, because all this move up is what I call, this is a runaway rally, not real. In my humble opinion. What the teenagers don't know, though, is that the bulls are in control right here, 71. They have no idea. And that's why right now the market, the smart money, it's having fun destroying them. They have no idea where from where the bulls are in control. They have no idea the strength of the next resistance. They have no idea if the price is going to take it, and they have no idea where is it going. We, on the other hand, we know all of that. It's your decision. Trade management, right? So let me put it this way. The right, this 10 more points from 85 to 95, this 10-point right, that's not in the cards. That's not in the cards anytime soon. If coulda, woulda, shoulda, the price was to take 85 and go to 94, which is not in the cards now. The bears just took over. Just like the bulls took over control 71, the bears just took over 85. If the price was to take 85 and continue going to target 194, which is where the smart money wants to go, and nothing changed, this 95 is going to be a high probability counter trend short. Right now it's a short, but now that we know that the bears took control of the action right here at 85, just like the bulls took it at 71, then that would be a pretty nice risk-reward ratio entry. All right, so and the only way to trade this market is the way we're doing right now. Tick by tick, second to second, everything live, real time, as it's happening. There's no other way to trade this. There's no other way to read the market to somebody else if it's not the way I'm doing it right now. Period. Okay, that's all there is to it. Okay. Any of all those pathetic, fake little rooms out there, they will not do this. Go sign for the free trial. Some of them don't even have a free trial. I have a free trial. Come, pay nothing. Don't even give me your name. Take a free trial to see if we are the real deal or not. Any other room that because I've been in them all. Let's see if they can read the market like this. So that's 71 again, right? Look at this beautiful entry long 71. Those of us who want to go to 95, we know 71 is the low of this canal right here, 71.85, right? Okay. So, and our objective for this long is 96, and our objective for this short is 62.69. Alrighty. So trade management. Okay. So take one with the ES, the other one with the micros. No, CAPI, I don't want to be, I just want to go be directional. All right, take your pick. You know exactly where to get in, and you know exactly where is it going. Trade management. And that's what we do here. We take advantage of every single move the market gives. Are they traders? Oh my God, CAPI, no. Just take your pick. You want to be directional? Just take one of my entries. You know the entry and you know the target. Take the pick, whatever you want. Okay. Or do what? Because remember that we always want to know what's really going on. And look at this job. Just like I said a little while ago, if you don't know everything that's going on, this chop, it'll destroy all the amateurs, all the traders gonna be, they're all destroyed on this chop. No, Capi, you know, when the market is like this, I prefer not to trade. That's a good idea. We, on the other hand, we came here to trade, and we're gonna trade them all. So the secret is to know exactly what's the market condition, what type of market are we having, and are we going to continue having, so that you can make a decision what strategy and what tactics to use, right? You don't know all of that, please don't trade this action. Here, we know everything, what's going on. We are in complete control all the time, 100% of the time. That doesn't mean that we know what the market is going to do 100% of the time, although we know it 90% of the time. That's not what I mean. We are in complete control. We know exactly what to do at every single major key level, whether it's a long or a short, period. The only way that you can be consistently profitable trading this market, because it just so happened that today we have this condition. Many other days, it's directional. We don't care about the other side, because we are fully concentrated on what our system says has the major odds, the biggest odds to make it. Today, we're having a lot of fun doing both. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so it took a while, right? We have to put up with all this chop, but surely since 11:50, sometimes the smart money decides to make the move after the chop began. So that's 61 from our short, 84. How many points is that? All right, so let's continue.